Hello YouTube, this is time for DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Tuesday morning and Michael's. So I'm going to just do the Michael's haul first. I forgot to show you some of my last Michael haul, but I got the 110 pound paper, and this is in white, and then I got it in the red. Of course the red is not all one shade of red, it's actually 3 shades of red. So they had these on sale when I got these, and that's 110. And my Michaels, I didn't need it to buy them at that moment, but it's so rare that I would have them in the store that I went on and got it, and that is so frustrating. And I did pick these up from the Dollar Tree. Just those the hearts, I'm sure you've probably seen those. They come out every year. And it was the $5 Hot Buy Day. So they had an 8.5 and 11 40-page album, and I just thought it was good. I can do some mixed media layouts in here, different things like that. That was my thinking. Not just scrapbooking, but could be scrapbooking as well. But more, I was really thinking for mixed media. I had the 9x12. I think it's Bristol. I just forgot the one in the blue. Instead, the other one. No, it's on the tip of my tongue. Start with S. Anyway, but I can cut them down to a 9.5 by 11. And stick them in here. It's also what I was thinking. So that was one idea. And this was just another one for $5. Again, this has 30 pages. This is a 12 by 12 album. And last but not least, I did get this, the Black and Craft, only because it is so hard to find. And I know you guys have seen this before, but at $5, you know, and I love black. Second favorite color next to red. And just in case you haven't seen it, but I'm pretty sure you have, probably if you watched it in the haul videos, it's black on one side, but you got your black and gold, got your cut aparts right here to do what you love. I always believe something wonderful is about to happen. So just elegant pages, and I just thought it was very pretty. It is only a 24 page, I'm gonna say 24%, 24 page, but I'm glad I got it. Could not beat that for $5. Alrighty, I already owned this one. I got this last year when Simple Storage brought this one out. This I picked up for my sister. She wanted it. It's a Simple Storage Faith. Like I said, it came out last year, but it came out again in January of this year, and it's 207-8695. I think I paid $4.99 when I got mine, if I'm not mistaken. And just in case you haven't seen it, and she got it, of course, because it's, you know, hard to find the fake papers. But I do a real quick flip, and it's 2 of each. And there's nice cut aparts right here too. You can use those for cards, Project Life, different things like that as well, journaling. So you got plenty of those. You can make a lot of cards with. Pretty backgrounds. I mean, a lot of cards, which is one of the things I want to do with mine. We talked about doing something together. I don't know. But anyway, that was what she got. And like I said, always check in your clearance section too. I've said that before, because sometimes papers that were out last year are in the clearance section. I did check it and see if I would pick it up from there. But I know they did have some Simple Stories. They had the other one in the clearance in my store. So even though it may be out, this is January on it, like I said, because it was a release last year. I always check your clearance because it could be there. And typically, it might be a different price. Usually it's lower if it's in clearance. And yeah. So she also picked this up, but I'm going to tell her to take it back because I got these on Joann's. Joann's had these, my Joann's, when it was clearing out, and I got a whole bunch of them for like $1 and some cent. But anyway, they're still good. But they're $3.19, 2077241. This is the sticker sheets, and it's glittered, and so you can punch them out. And of course, if you can punch it, you can die cut it. So it's already sticking adhesive back. But I don't know. I might have her take those back. Since I have some, she can use some of mine. And I don't know if I read this number. So just in case, 207-8695. Simple Stories Faith, 48 sheets. Alright, so I did pick up the Wild Heart for $2.99, and it's 2079212. And I have all the different accessories, and that may go back because I passed on accessories, and then I decided to get the paper, and I didn't get the accessories. I only got one of the accessories, so I may or may not keep that, even though it's gorgeous. This is 10-pack, policy number 10 envelopes, and craft. These are 4 1/4, 4.125 by 9.5 envelopes, and it's a 10-pack, and it's 1962806 for $1.99. So just to make some middle of the night, odd shaped cards. Some long cards. I already have some envelopes. I didn't have that shape. Did pick up these two thickers. This one's called Chill. 2079215. It says chill. Good times, fun. Oh my God. I mean, OMG. Wild love, sun plus fun, favorite. Memories, best day. Paradise, thank you, sweet, perfect, and getaway. And this is more of a rose gold color, and it's $2.19. 2079215. And I read those numbers so you can call the 1-800 product hotline and put in zip code in that number, that SKU number. You can see if they have that item in your area. 2042043, and that's this sticker set right here called Beautiful. And it says, be true, darling, charmed, shine. You know, beautiful love, the sweet life together. So you've got that one. So again, this is more of a rose gold, and this is more of a gold. So two different ones. 2042043. I did find these two. I didn't know I got two. Must be one for my sister because I only got one. She must have got that. Yeah. These are $1.49. These are developed envelopes. Comes with confetti. And it's 2075939. They're 5 1/4 by 7 1/4. So you get a 5x7 card in here. And I thought about these for altering them. They're already made. Developed envelope. You could even do an album, you know, out of these. Of course, you can put your shakers in there and a piece of paper, and you've got a quick already way to give confetti, which is one of the things I was thinking with this as well. But you could do a whole bunch of different things. Like I said, you could actually make an album out of this. Excuse me, like you used to make the envelope mini albums. You can make an envelope album out of these pages as well. I might just try to do that. Make a shaker envelope album or something as a gift. So anyway, they hit those for $1.49. Just put that to the side. And I read that number 2075939. I believe I did. These magnets to do days of the week. And that's 2064437. That's my sister's. And some more Vicky Bootner. These came out as $1.99. I know some of them before came out at different prices. 2079241. 50-piece set. They had also had her other stamp and die set, which I didn't get with the butterflies on it. I didn't get it, but it was $5.99. That's out too. And my daughter, oops, also got this. Just so you have it quick, this will go to metallic. These are 5x7s, 10-piece, $1.49, 2075931. And this, you know, you can use this, of course, for layering. Nice size for making some cards and different things. My daughter, excuse me, brought this to give me a hint, which I thought was funny. Even though our son is 7 now, he's getting away from some of this, but could do some layouts. And this is the chipboard Little Dude, and it's the paper pack. It says Little Dude, so I'm sure they have the regular paper pack, but this was just the one they had, the 25 pieces. So this is $1.99 for the chipboard pieces, 36 of them, and she got 2 of them. And it is 207-6556. So you got robots and frogs and dinosaurs and teepees and different stuff. And then you got the same thing on this pad of paper. And then you've got your blue on the back. And it's $2.99. This is a blue grid kind of a paper on the back. And it's 207-8668. I don't know if you can see that grid on it. She doesn't know what she wants me to do with that, but that's what she picked up. And then I also picked up these 2 pouches. I just thought they were cute to have as giveaways when I do a silent giveaway, or if I want to do some Happy Meal to somebody. So, because I like them, but I know I'm not going to use them, but I just thought it would be cute to bless somebody with it. So they got the little pom-pom on the side. They were $4.99 each. And this one that says classy and a little sassy is 206-7194. And this one says hello gorgeous. And that one is 203-9714. So I don't know when and how, but they will be some goodies for somebody. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.